Most new agency owners are addicted to the chase. They wake up and think, how do I get a new client today, instead of how do I build a system that gets clients for me? I used to think the same thing. I used to DM 100, 200, 300 people a day. I used to spam calls, outreach DMs, outreach emails, and nothing quite worked. I'd get ghosted by 99% of them and maybe close one. But the second I built systems and started putting systems in place into my business, clear offers, automation, and content that builds trust and gets me clients without having to do the outreach, I stopped chasing. I started to attract. Broke owners hunt clients. They are on their ass just like lawyers, like ambulance chasers. Real entrepreneurs build machines and that genuinely build their business and that continue to attract these clients instead of hunting them down. Don't chase clients, build systems. That is step number one. Moving on to mistake number two. Mistake number two is doing everything yourself. You can't grow if you're doing delivery, outreach, content, editing, phone calls, closing calls, all by yourself. Most agency owners are usually ran by one person. Here at SM Media, we have over 56 people that work under us. Closers, DM setters, emails, basically everything under the sun. We have graphic designers, content creators, we have editors. Basically anything that you could think of that can be outsourced is outsourced. While I sit here, make the real business moves, continue to close clients, work with my high-ticket one-on-one clients, and manage my team. I make my money by managing my teams, not by outreaching and closing deals. Most agencies have control issues. They think hiring means losing profit. They think paying people out means losing profit. But if you're doing everything alone, you're not an entrepreneur. You're just an overpaid employee. The moment I started delegating to other people, writers, editors, assistants, graphic designers, callers, emailers, my income doubled. I started having 100 of me. I mean, come on, instead of having me outreach, it'd be a lot easier if I had 30 other people do it for me, right? And you might be thinking, well, Sean, I don't have the capital to hire these people. I started hiring people strictly off commission. And to this day, every single person that we hire, a new hire, is started off as commission-based. Until they prove their worth, then they start getting paid salary. Remember, broke owners attract pennies, successful ones build teams. Don't be an employee in your own business. Don't be penny pinching just like broke people. Successful people build teams, and that's how businesses work. You've never seen a one-man army turn into a Fortune 500 company. I mean, come on, Elon Musk didn't just build Tesla alone. Moving on to mistake number three. Mistake number three is poor offer positioning. Most agency owners sell the same thing everyone else sells. Social media management, social media ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Oh, I could do your emails. You know how many people are in my DMs or in probably everyone else's DMs? It's the same copy and paste script selling the exact same service, and people sit back and wonder why the hell they're not making money. Why aren't they standing out from other people? That's why they can't charge premium prices. And even if they do get a sale, they're making 10%, 20%. Almost every single order we do here at SM Media, we collect a minimum of 50% profit margin on every single order that we do. The fix is specializing into a specific niche. Here at SM Media, we do press and PR. That is our specialty. We are known as the biggest press agency in the entire world. We do most gurus, restaurants, local business owners, you name it. But if you want press and you're on the online space, you know who to come from. Pick one result, pick one business, pick one niche, and run it over and over and over again until you're the king. I went from doing marketing for everyone, marketing for crypto projects, marketing ads, marketing press, marketing this, and that really didn't make me much money. Then I started focusing on press, PR, articles, placements, everything that falls under the category of PR. Building authority through my social media, through TikTok, through YouTube. The more I narrowed down, the more money I started to earn. Positioning isn't what you sell, it's how you make people feel about what you sell. Here, we have a 98% customer satisfaction rate. Yes, I said 98% customer satisfaction. That is simply because of the business model and the niche that we picked. I picked a very high satisfaction rate business. I mean, come on, I'm not selling ads where everyone can complain about your ROAS and stuff like that. Everyone and their mother sells ads. I mean, fuck, it's 2025. If you don't know how to run ads on your own, then really, what are you doing running a business? Niche down, charge up, find your positioning, and attack. Moving on to mistake number 4. Mistake number 4 is no retention strategy. Most owners obsess over getting clients, but never think about keeping their clients. Most people get the sale and don't give a fuck about how they deliver. Delivery, customer satisfaction are the 2 biggest important things in continuing to grow your business and continuing to make more money. If you please one client, not only will he come back, but he will refer you. And that person will refer him, and another person, and another person, and another person. So doing good business with one person can bring you 10 plus clients and give you 10 plus sales, 20 sales, 30 sales, just by fulfilling the one customer that paid you for such a small service that you thought, I'll put it off. Here's what I learned. It's easier growing from retention than acquisition. Retaining your clients and making them happy and living off of referrals, word of mouth, and them doing business with you consistently is 100 times easier, 100 times more effective, and 100 times more profitable than outreaching and finding new clients ever will. If you just don't focus on your client and continue to just do acquisition, I mean, come on. You're just gonna be in an instant loop of doing the same thing over and over and over again. Waking up, sending cold DMs, closing clients, leaving them stranded, doing the same thing over and over and over again. You don't have a business. At that point, you're just a freelancer. Anyways, stop treating clients like a one-time paycheck. Look at the long-term value in every single client. If you can keep a client happy for 6 months instead of 2, you could 3x your revenue without any more leads, without any more new clients. Finally, mistake number 5, and this one's important, especially in today's day and age. This is no personal brand. With a million other agencies in the entire world doing the exact same thing as you, with all the competition in the space and all these people bugging other people for businesses and selling this online marketing thing, I mean, you need to have something to go off of. You need an image, you need a personal brand. I mean, they hide behind a logo, they hide behind a company. This is the reason why most people go broke and can't sustain an actual business. I've built a 7-figure agency within the last 4 years of me doing this. Yes, it's taken me 4 years, it's taken me quite some time. Yes, I've gone broke multiple times, but there is one thing that continued to make me money even when I had nothing else, even when I've lost partners, even when I've had terrible things happen to me in the agency, when I've lost money, when I've lost employees. I had my brand. Not just because they trusted my agency, because they trusted me. In 2025, your personal brand is your leverage. It's not anything else. If you're not building a personal brand, you're invisible in today's day and age, especially if you're doing marketing. How can you be a social media marketing agency if you're a nobody? No one's gonna trust you. I mean, come on, let's be honest here. Your face is your funnel, and remember that. Why do most agency owners stay broke? They chase clients, work alone, sell generic offers, forget retention, forget customer service, and hide from the camera. The fix is very simple. 1, build systems. 2, hire out. 3, own your niche. 4, keep your clients happy. And finally, 5, build a personal brand and an image that people can trust. Formula I've used to scale SMMA to well over 7 figures within the last 4 years of my agency. If you're ready to fix your agency, continue to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment on other things that you might have an issue with. I make videos 2 to 3 times every single week, breaking down exactly how to build your agency, as well as some lifestyle comment. Or DM me press on Instagram if you guys need help, and if you guys need press or marketing for your image to grow that personal brand that everyone talks about, and that will really bring your clients cash over fist. I'll show you how to build your authority the right way and continue to bring you business and grow your agency, grow your personal brand to another level. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Mourey, and until the next one.